Hello and welcome to Scarfe Diem, the innovative new fashion scarf with removable and changeable beads, stones and charms. Now before I show you how this clever system works, let me tell you a bit about what Scarfe Diem can do for you. We've worked for many months to develop this fashion accessory system that is easily changeable to meet your style or work for you whatever the occasion may be. Or, as we like to say it, Scarfe Diem allows you to seize your style. Let's start with the basic Scarfe Diem scarf with removable starter beads. Imagine it is autumn and the cold weather is starting to set in. You've discovered Scarfe Diem and decided to buy, say, a grey scarf and an additional set of purple starter beads. That gives you 3 options of how to wear your scarf. When the holiday season comes, perhaps you add 2 sets of add-on beads. That now gives you at least 8 ways to wear your scarf. Then, say later in the season, you can choose to add a black scarf to your collection, which now gives you over 22 different fashion combinations. The beauty of this system is that with just a few items, you can create numerous possibilities. Now that you've seen what Scarfe Diem can do for you, let me show you more closely how it works. Your Scarfe Diem scarf will arrive with a set of color-coordinated starter beads already attached. If you want to remove those starter beads, simply separate the closure snaps along the outer edge of the end of your scarf. Be careful to grasp the metal snaps and do not tug at the fabric, as that can damage your scarf. Once the closure snaps have been opened, remove the ribbon of starter bead snaps in the same manner by grasping the metal snaps and separating them from the scarf. When you need to reattach the starter beads, refer to the diagram on your scarf package for the best recommended spacing of the beads between the closure snaps. The diagram is also available on the website for reference at ScarfeDiem.com. Now that we have the scarf open, you can see the 3 rows of fasteners that make up the patent-pending design of Scarfe Diem. In between the 2 rows of snaps that I just showed you, you will see a row of rings that are used for add-on bead attachments. So let's put it together in one of my favorite configurations with a combination of starter beads and add-on beads. First, I'll take my ribbon of grey starter beads and press the snaps closed along the top row of snaps. Then I'll use 1 set of grey teardrop add-on beads and open the lobster clasps and attach them to the 3 rings on each side, spacing them evenly across the scarf. Now, when closing the closure snaps, it's easiest to start at the seam of the scarf and align the 2 snaps on either side of the seam. This will keep everything nice and straight and avoid bunching of the fabric. Then, referring to the starter bead spacing diagram, I lay the beads between the closure snaps and gently press them all together. Now your scarf is ready to wear. To view the entire Scarfe Diem collection, visit us anytime at ScarfeDiem.com.